Okay, YouTube, I'm going to make a super quick video how to diagnose a Traxxas transmission on your two-wheel drive. So you got your gear here, your spur gear, that spins the clutch. If you're spinning this gear and you see this nut is turning while you hold the outputs where your axles go on, if that nut is turning, then your slipper clutch is spinning the shaft like that. This gear is not spinning. That means that probably the roll pin inside, I'll try to do a real quick snip of that, is broken. But now if you hold this and this gear does turn like this and you're holding the outputs, then your differential is busted, because this is the gear that drives the diff. This is what your diff is going to look like. This one here is actually busted. It was in there all of about 15 minutes brand new. It's a 2380X. They make some heavier duty models, and I didn't realize it when I bought that. So anyway, if that nut was not spinning in your tight, that roll pin, or not roll pin, but that drive pin there, like your wheel hex pin, that would be what was slipping. Alright guys, here's your two halves of your transmission popped apart. There's your diff. You can hold it stationary, you find that sweet spot, and you can actually spin right there. So I'm spinning that, and it should not be spinning freely. So it's busted. This transmission has two-part problems, and I know it does. That gear looks great. This gear looks great, but it's really not. There's a little roll pin right up in here, if I can get this camera to focus. That roll pin inside of there breaks all the time. Now, I don't know how much I can catch here on film, but there you go. See that? I've smacked the gear down. There's where your roll pin actually goes in, is up here. Your gear is offset where it's spun. You drive that roll pin out of there, take an 1/8 inch drill bit, cut it down real short so that it doesn't stick out far enough for the gears to rub on it. Loctite it in, put it all together, let it set up. That thing will hold forever. That's a pretty simple basic video on how to take and diagnose the 272 transmissions. The X on the end of the part numbers for Traxxas means they're heavy duty. The one I busted was not, it was regular. The BL2S system broke it. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button, get notified. I'll try to make videos for you if I can. Per request, I made this one for a guy that I met on Facebook today. I'm getting ready to put it in a comment section for him. Thanks, YouTube.